I just figured out how to type with the Chinese keyboard, and it's actually really simple. It's actually really simple. You have to go, if you're on Android, go to settings, and go to keyboards and inputs, go to your Gboard, and in Gboard you can add languages. Add traditional. No, I'm sorry, it's simplified Chinese. It's the second option. The top one's traditional. The second one's simplified. So when you type or when you choose Chinese, you'll see two. They're in Chinese, so you're not going to know offhand by looking at it. But the bottom one is simplified. Now, the cool thing is once you install the keyboard, you can select different kind of layouts. Select the one that says 9 and some Chinese characters. It's really cool. It's kind of like a number pad, but it gives you a button that has Chinese characters, but it gives you 9 other buttons, or I think it's 8 other buttons that give you letters. And you can type out the phonetic sound of a word, and it will eventually tell you what the characters are. And I tested it with this word. I think it's a Jinhao Zhuan. I think is how you say that. I might be wrong. I'm still working on pronunciation, especially like I get really confused by the ZHs and all that. But I typed that into YouTube because somebody told me if I wanted to understand what's going on Red, I need to watch it. And it found it. It's 3 characters when it all comes together. And all I did was just type this out, and you don't select each individual letter. So like you'll type on one of the buttons, it'll have like 3 or 4 letters. Just type and it actually figures it out. So if it says, like, think about like your phones, old we used to type on our cell phones with the 9 or with the keypad, right? Think of that, but you don't have to press like a button so many times to get to the right character. You just type the button that character is supposed to be applied from, and as you construct the phonetic sound of the word, it figures out what you want. It's really clever. It's really cool. I just wanted to share that.